Hi traders, good morning. How are you? I hope that today we will see some little changes on the market because right now it seems like everything it's, I don't know, pushed too much, like GJ, like EURJPY, like all the pairs that we are trading. Okay. I was looking also at EURJPY, but I will go back to EURJPY right now. I want to stay a little bit on GJ. Let me see. Because on the 4 hour it seems like the price rejected from this area. Where is it? 151, let's say 600. Okay, this area. The thing is that this is happened on the 4 hour. Now I'm expecting, maybe because the price couldn't break this area right here. Okay, so this is like let's say a break through a zone. Okay, because here we have these candles. Okay, multiple touches that we had it here, rejected. It seems like here we had like a resistance. The price break through that, rejected from this zone, came back down, and now in my mind, and what do I see? It's like the price, it's doing like a retest. Okay, so it's doing the retest right here at 151, 200, and what we have here, 300, no, 250, let's say, around this area. And from here the price to come back up again to retest again the zone of 600. Okay, this is what I see right now. Okay, it's like break and retest. Hi Maddie, it's Matty there. Oh, hi Matty, how are you? So be careful please if you are trading GJ, if you are trading also EURJPY. If we are looking right now on the EURJPY, also on the 4 hour, and if I put here a line, also here I have an alert. Okay, you see here crossing at 129.955. So if you are using TradingView, also you can place alerts and so on, because maybe you cannot be in front of the computer, and like this you will receive the alerts on the phone or maybe on the email. Okay, so it seems right now that EURJPY on the 4 hour, it wanted to come up to this area of 130. Okay, I do believe that the price will continue to go up. And why do I'm saying this? Also, if you remember the last session of yesterday, I said also about EURJPY and also about GJ that it's going to continue to go up. And I have explained you why. And I will explain you also now why I think that they should continue to go just a little bit up, and then I'm expecting to see like a rejection. And right now, if we are looking at EURJPY, and if we are looking, for example, at this candle, okay, this candle from here that I think it started on the Asia session, yes, it's that this one, it closed bullish. Okay, the thing that, let me take this one. Okay, the thing is that this candle, if we are putting a line right here, we will see that this candle closed above what we have here and what do we have here. Okay, you see this kind of rejections, also this situation from here, also this one. So what does it say this to me? It's when, if you know how to read them and if you know how to anticipate the next move, it's very easy, and then you could be able to go into a trade. I have noticed that these days also the market is a little bit, let's say, exhausted. Okay, the thing is that also the people from my group, they have noticed that I have started to take trades and to give signals at the pre-London session, because at that time I found out that I do have some volume, and also I gave today a very good signal with GBPUSD, and is that at that time I saw only on that pair something which made me believe that I should take a trade. So right now it's a little bit, I told you, the market, it's a little bit exhausted. Look at all the pairs where they went. Look, for example, at EURJPY, it's trying to push up again this area. Okay, and coming back to what I was saying, it's that also because the price is closing, let me take again this one, also because the price is closing higher and higher, we are in an uptrend, okay, and because this one closed above what we have here, okay, so you can see the line right here, it gives me the idea that the price may continue to go up to retest again this area, or maybe to continue to go a little bit up, okay, from this zone to 200, 300, but I'm pretty sure that from this area it will come back down again. If I'm going on the 1 hour, we have a very simple situation, okay, and let me also put it on the, no, I think on the 30 minutes better. So what I will advise you right now to do, because maybe you want to trade EURJPY, is that, let me take this one and show you, and you will understand it perfectly. Right now, EURJPY, it's in the range zone, okay, and when we are in a range zone, what do we do? Maybe it's too small, okay, let me put it right here, and maybe to make it a little bit bigger, okay. So when we are in a range zone, we don't trade, okay. We have to wait for the price to break either up or down and close. When the price it's closing above, let me take this one to show you, if the price will close above this area, that means that the price should continue to go up again to what we have here, 130, okay, or 129,950. If the price will break and close under this resistance, support, then in my mind will make me think that the price has more room. For example, here we could have the first take profit, and here we could have the second take profit. So like this, you should see and anticipate what the market can do, where the price can go, why it's the price rejecting from an area, why the price is ranging right now, why, and why. Also, remember, I have deleted everything, perfect. Also remember, if we are going right here, here we have some news, okay, at 14:45 my time, but I think you can find exactly hour, I don't know, maybe you're from America and now it's very early, 5:44 I think it's right now, I don't know. So check your calendar, okay, go to forexfactory.com and there you will find all the information. Please be cautious, and if you want to trade only with a very small lot size, or maybe you can train yourself and go on the demo account. Don't forget that we have the monetary policy statement, and I don't think that the news it will be very good, and I believe that EURJPY it will fall, and then we will have the press conference, and maybe right here let's say that the price will correct, this news will correct what will happen right here at the policy statement. So please be careful and don't overtrade, don't how you say, don't think that if you are trading with a bigger lot size you can make a lot of money. Believe me, if you don't know how to manage them, then you can lose a lot of money. Okay, market structure consolidating right now. Yes, exactly. So that's why I put there the range zone. So if you want to trade it, you have to wait for the right position. I can say that I will not trade EURJPY. Okay, I'm not trading because although I have made already my pips, 100 pips this week, okay, and I feel very comfortable, and I did, let's say, my job. And you remember that I'm saying I don't trade more than 100%, 100 pips per week. So if I'm gonna trade, I'm going to do it finding new strategies, and I'm going to do it on the demo account because I like all the time to find new things and to try new things. What do you say? Sell signal? What signal? I see a buy 1 hour for USDJPY. USDJPY on the 1 hour, you see a buy. Wait for the price to come to this area, wait to see if it's going to reject it, and then if it's going to reject it, then yes, you can have a buy. But for a moment the price is coming back down, and I don't think that this candle will help you a lot right now. As you can see, it stopped around this zone of 108.484. Okay, so here you have an issue, and if you want to find the issue, you have to go on the 30-minute chart, and like this you will find more details. Okay, and you will see that the price rejected from here because of this and this, and if I'm going back you will see a lot more. So buy on the 1 hour right now, no, I don't suggest you. The price is going back down, it's rejecting from this, it rejected from this area. Okay, wait for the price to give you the best confirmation around this area, because maybe the GPY it will become stronger and it will push down the price. Okay, and there is the possibility for the price to come to this area also where I have put my alarm. Okay, so maybe if you want to trade, wait for the best confirmation. If the price will break and close under this area from here, then you can have a sell at least to this zone of 108, 185. And if not, wait for the price, wait, let's say another 1 hour, I think, for the price to tell you if it's going to close above this area, and then you can have a buy, and maybe the price will retest again this zone. So like this, you have to identify the best zone and when to enter. Okay, it's very simple. I mean, if you stay too much with your eyes on the chart, you will not be able to take any trades. So what do I say, and what do I say also to my students, is that trade what you see, not what you think. Because if you stay too much on the market and if you think too much, then you will overthink. Okay, it's like over trading, and you will say, oh my god, if UJ is not doing this, if it's going to break it, or maybe I'm not right, maybe it's going to go there, or maybe it's going to do this, and so on. So the best thing is that when you are going on the charts, when you are opening the charts, and for example you see USDJPY, mark up your support and resistance, go also on the higher time frames, daily, weekly, and so on, and look what happened. Also on the daily, as you can see, we had this huge rejection from here. The price is still trying to go down, it's closing lower and lower. That's why I say I don't think that the price should continue to go up, because usually I can tell you that when you see this kind of big moves, the price usually comes and he's doing almost half of the big move. Okay, so I'm expecting for USDJPY to fall, and as you can see, the candles are closing lower and lower. We have this huge rejection from here, and we are expecting the price to come down. But before going into a trade, wait for the best confirmation, okay, and wait for the best entry for you to be and to become profitable. Okay. Okay, what do you say here, ma'am? Which forex patterns are your favorite? I cannot say everything that I know. I mean, if you want to know everything that I'm thinking and everything that I like and everything that I don't know I use in my strategies, then you have to come into my group and maybe to take my courses, and I will teach you my strategies and what do I believe and what do I do on the forex market. Now I can say GJ on the 4 hour. We still have 8 minutes for this 1 hour candle to close, and it seems like the price is trying to push up. This is on the 4 hour, you see, so it's rejecting from this area, in my mind thinking that it's doing like a retest right here and coming back up again to 151. What do we have there? 600 area, 700 area. Coming back on the 1 hour, the price is doing the same thing. So let's say that it was a very good catch right here for the price to continue to go up. If you have any questions, you can ask me, because that's why I am here, and maybe I can give you some help and maybe some advices, or maybe if you want to see something, I don't know, like GCAD, gold, I don't know, USD CAD, you tell me, we make the analysis and maybe we can have a trade together. I don't know, but I tell you when I will enter in the trade. But right now I'm very calm because I told you I had made already my pips, and I can say that this is one of my strategies that I like to make my 100 pips per week. And after I make my 100 pips per week, I just study and I do other things, okay? Because I can study new strategies, I can try new things and so on. So like this, you will have a consistent, let's say a consistent percentage of pips every week, and it's amazing because like this you can have and make a lot of money. Take a look at USD CAD. We have a channel too daily. USD CAD, where is USD CAD? USD CAD broke this area, and I think I was speaking about USD CAD yesterday because that's why I have this line here. I really don't trade USD CAD. I think, yeah, somebody asked me yesterday. So as you can see here, the candle closed under this support, and the next candle came back down. Let me go on the 4 hour, and on the 4 hour, the price should retest again this zone, and if it's going to break this one, then yeah, there is a possibility for this candle on the 4 hour to come back down and to retest again this area where you see that the price is like a support, okay? And if it's going to break also this one, then we have the possibility for the price to come even lower. Let me go on the daily. Yeah, it's closing lower and lower. Let me go on the daily, and on the daily, yeah, this seems like this is matching with what I said on the 4 hours, so the price should come and tap this zone again, okay? And maybe from here we should wait, and I don't suggest you to trade right now USD CAD, because I don't think that it's a very good idea right now to buy. You see USD CAD like what? Like a break and retest. We have a channel 2 on the daily. I think we have a possible sell buy at 1.25786. What do we have here? 125,786. Okay, somewhere here. We don't know. We have to wait. I mean, you have to wait for the best opportunity to go into the market. I really don't trade this pair. It's not so exciting. I don't know how to say. But I do believe that the price, it will play a little bit here, and then it will come back down more. So it's a sell. How much time requires to be profitable in trading Forex? How much time? This is depending on you, because there are some people that they understand very quickly how this function, okay? And for some other people, I don't know, it may take years, maybe 1 year, 2 years, I don't know. So this is depending on you. Let's say how smart you are, and if you really like it, because if you are doing this only for money, believe me, you cannot be profitable, because you will become greedy, and you will end up losing your account. But if you are studying Forex market, and if you love being every day in front of the charts, even if you are I don't know, making profit with $1 a day or $2 or maybe nothing, that means that you love what you're doing, and at one stage you will become very profitable. So I'm telling, this is only about you and how much you love and how much you want to become let's say like a professional Forex trader, okay, like full-time trader. Because I can say that you can have a job, a normal job, okay, because all the people also from the chat, they are normal, and you can have a normal job, and when you have time you can study, and you can have a demo account, or maybe you can invest, I don't know, $500, $1,000, and you start trading, okay? But you have to take it very slowly. You don't have to push yourself, but in the same time you must have an income, okay, coming consistently. So before being a profitable trader, you should have a really good job, okay, and you should have some money on the side for this, let's say, like a hobby at the beginning. So after you become profitable, meaning that you can pay your bills, you can buy clothes, you can buy foods, phones, I don't know, whatever you want. I'm not talking here about so much money like houses and cars, but money that they are, let's say, double like your salary or maybe triple. That means that you are consistent, and you can think to become like a full-time trader, okay? But this, it means that you have to invest some money, and you have to invest your time, and to think that it's not easy, it's very hard. But if you know, let's say, the secret, because also here there is a secret, everywhere is a secret for a thing to work, I don't know, like magic, is that to become profitable, you have to respect some simple rules that you have to put them, let's say, like in front of you, to have them every day. To be profitable depends on the professional skills in trading. It doesn't depend on years that you waste. Of course, I can say that there are people that they become profitable after 2 or 3 years after they started to understand some strategies. Okay, I told you, some guys, they are smart, some of them they are not. It's simple, like at the school. Some of them they take big diplomas, some of them they don't. So it's the same thing. Okay, so depends only about you and not about those that they are teaching you. Okay. Okay, if you still have any questions. Oh my, look at EURJPY, another 30-minute candle close, but nothing really happened. So this is a range zone, don't touch it. And I'm not joking when I'm telling you don't touch it. I prefer not you to touch all the pairs with euro today, because I told you the news are coming. Let's go to what we have here, USDJPY. This one on the 30-minute, it seems like it's rejecting from this area. Let's go on the 1 hour, and it seems like it's trying to close higher and higher, and it's trying to reject this area, but wait for the best opportunity before going into a trade. If I could go into this trade, I could wait let's say another half an hour for this candle to close, because it will give you the best confirmation if you can go into a trade or not. I really don't like how this one is moving. Let's go to GU. It wants to continue to go up, and it's closing also this one higher and higher. Let me go on the 1 hour. I can have a clear and a beautiful direction. Let me take also this. I don't know where I have done this. So usually, let me do like this. It's simple. Usually when you are going into new chart, okay, and you want to mark up some things, first of all, you have to clear your chart. Okay, this is the resistance on the 1 hour. We can say that here we have like a support, and if I'm going even back on the line, you will see why. Here we have a beautiful clean candle, and that means that this price will play here a little bit, but it will do this move, and it will come up to this area of 140, 156. Okay, that means that the pound will be stronger than the dollar. That's why I think that if the dollar, it will be weak, and the yen, it will become stronger, that means that the price should fall. So GU will come up, and USDJPY come down. As you can see right now, USD, it's a weak, but the pound, it's gaining strength. Okay, coming back, what I was saying, it's that the price rejected from here, because as you can see here, the price rejected too. So when the price is going to break and close, it's simple. Look, when the price is going to break and close this area of what we have here, 1.39,680, let's say, is going to close above this area. Okay, let me put the pink line. Okay, 82, let's say. When the price, it will break and close above this area, then we have the possibility for the price to continue to go up, and then we can have a buy, and we can catch something like 40, 50 pips. Don't put it 50, put it, I don't know, 45 pips, which is amazing if you can catch them. Okay, right now if you stay on the 1 hour, you can see that the price rejected from this area and you cannot have the buy possibility. If I was trading this pair, I could look only for buy, not for the sell right now. And I'm saying this because the price again, it's closing higher and higher, as you can see right here. Okay, and we are in an uptrend, and if we see let's say one candle, two candles that they are going down, it doesn't mean that we are going to shift direction. I see double bottom on the 5 minutes. Please don't trade on the 5 minutes. It's the most stupid thing that I ever heard, to trade on the 5 minutes. Who teach you to trade on the 5 minutes? Why do you stay on the 5 minutes? Because the 5 minutes, it's only noise. I can tell you from my own experience, and I am a profitable trader, believe me. Don't stay on the 5 minutes. On the 5 minutes you have only noise. Why you don't take the big time frames? Why you are afraid taking the big ones? Why you don't go on the 4 hours when you have clean road and clean candles? Okay, look, I have markup on the 1 hour what GU it's going to do. If it's going to break this area, then you can have a buy. If you are going on the 4 hour, look at this beautiful wick. When we have momentum, the price always fill the wicks. So please, if you want to become profitable, if you want to be consistent, don't trade on the 5 minutes. You are not a trader trading on the 5 minutes. Okay, 5 minutes is only noise. You can have, when you are scalping, if you are trading on the 30 minute, let's say you can go on the 15, and there you can have like small confirmation. Okay, but never go on the 5 minutes or 1 minute. I heard also a guy, he was trading on the 1 minute. What did you saw on the 1 minute? I mean, look at this chart. It's nothing. I cannot understand anything. I mean, it's, you find so many candles, there is so much noise. It's just because maybe you are not how you say, more patient to stay in the market and to wait hours and days maybe. But if you want to be profitable, believe me, change your perspective, change the way that you have been trading before. Go on the higher time frames, and there you will see different candles. Go on the weekly, do your analysis. When you start a new fresh week, go on the weekly, do analysis. That's why I'm doing every week analysis on the weekly and sometimes on the monthly, because like this I will see something new. Because on the higher time frames you will see the direction. On the smaller time frames it's only noise. Who teach you to trade on the 5 minutes? It was, I don't know how to say, it's not a good idea. This is my opinion and the other traders' opinion that I know. I don't want to look mean, but I want you to understand that don't think that you will make a lot of money, or don't think that you will make millions by trading the 5 minute chart. Check also on the Instagram if you want, or on the YouTube, on the Trading View, wherever you want. All the big traders and all the traders, they are doing analysis and trading on the 4 hour, daily, weekly, and so on. They are trading also scalping on the 30 minute and 1 hour, and which I do too. And also when I give signal, sometimes I give signal on the 1 hour, but you have the 15 minute candle, let's say, confirmation. Okay, so you need patience when you are in the Forex market, and I have explained you 80% of the time you wait, 10% of the time sell, and another 10% of the time buy. So like this the things are working. Please don't trade 5 minutes. Please use stop loss. These are the main rules, and you can find them in books. You can find them everywhere. I mean, it's not like I am God and I know everything, but I have read and I have tried so many things, and until I found out my own strategy that it's working. To take, let's say, trades that they really work and that you can be consistent, and I have showed you that I'm consistent, you need to wait for confirmation. And I don't think that you saw me watching 5 minutes or trading on the 5 minutes, so please don't do that. EURJPY, unfortunately I joined it later. Nurlan, hi, how are you? Don't worry, I am here, I'm not going anywhere, and if you cannot catch me, you can catch me also tomorrow, because I will be here every day. About EURJPY, right now it seems like euro is stronger than the pound. It's trying to push up again to retest this zone of 0.85818. The main problem right now, this is on the 1 hour. If I'm going on the 4 hour, it seems like it's rejecting this area where also I have my alert. Okay, so it seems like it's trying to reject from this zone. Usually EURJPY with GJ, they are somehow correlated, and you will see that when EURJPY is going up, GJ is going down. Okay, and right now it seems like GJ, it's not so strong. Okay, the euro is stronger than the GBP, and sorry, the pound, and GPY, it's similar with the pound, and it means that they are like in range. Going back to EURJPY, if you look closer, you will see that right now you are like in a range zone. I suggest you, look, I suggest you to wait for the best opportunity. Yes, you can take also this one, because you can see you have 2 touches right there. After the price will break this zone, this area, so here you have no trade. When the price is going to break and close, remember, I can say this area of 0.85944, when the price will break this area, you can have a buy. Where you can have the first take profit? It's simple. Here, when you have, where you have the wick at 0.86280, and the second one can be here at 86.518. If you will have a sell, then wait for the price to break and close under this area, okay, which let's say it's 0.85 for 43, and let me see, let me remove this one. You can have a sell to this area first on the 1 hour at 85.391, and then if you go on the higher time frames, oops, I can, it doesn't want to come right now. It seems like the price can go to this area right here of 0.85 to 10. Okay, so like this, you have to mark up your charts before going into a trade and before placing any trades. Okay, what happened right here? Oh, come on, I have give you auto. Okay, so I do things like this. I put all the time alerts. I take all the time notes. I read all the time. Even if I'm teaching people, okay, right now, I'm reading all the time about new things, about new strategies. I try them on the demo. I don't overtrade. I put, when I know that the market is not looking how I like, then I will trade with a smaller lot size, and all the time I teach you to do the same. So try to be smart, and like this you will learn very fast, and like this you will become very fast profitable. By the way, that somebody asked, in how much time it takes to become profitable. Depends how much smart you are, and let's say educated in the forex market you will be. I think 1 hour also shows noise. On the 4 hour it's better. 4 hour, what do you say? 4 hour is better time frame. All the time you have to go on the higher time frames. Also look on the 1 hour how ugly it looks. It's in a range zone. Why should I trade something like this? Why? I don't see any I don't see any reason. I cannot trade something like this. This is like on the 15 minute, 1 minute. Let me see on the 5 minute. Look how ugly it is on the 5 minute. Go on the 4 hour time frames and you will have the big picture. Okay, you must have all the time the big picture. You have to be smart. You have to think and see things how you say, further. Okay, don't be greedy. Again, this is another thing. The market, of course, it gives you the opportunity to make money, beautiful money. Okay, but if you are greedy, you will lose that amount of money that you made before. I don't know how to say. So be smart and make money, not lose money. Thanks for the clarification. You are welcome. The thing is that all the time, I mean, now I started to receive, and I told you every day, I start to receive messages every day. Help me, I want to do this, I want to do that, I'm in a trade, I'm in, I don't know, I will give you my account and take care of my account and so on. And in my mind it's like, why you don't, I don't know, start to learn to do something? Why you don't take courses? Why, I don't know. I can give you a super example. I mean, you are losing 100 and maybe thousands of dollars on the forex market, but you cannot afford paying some lessons for you to understand how things are working. I mean, this is crazy for me. It's like you have the opportunity to pay for your education, but you prefer to lose them on the forex market, thinking that you are smart and you can make millions very fast. So before going into a real account, go into a demo account and start to learn, because if not, in 6 months, 1 year, you will lose your money and you will lose your appetite, and you will end up losing all your account, maybe accounts, I don't know, and you will stop trading forex. Maybe you have that let's say ability to be a very good trader, but because you are greedy and because you thought that you can make millions very fast, maybe in 1 month, this is a very stupid and bad strategy, and you will not be able to be consistent and to make money and to build, because everything, I mean, nothing can be done like this. Okay, you have to build money, to put money on top of the other. Okay, like building a block, or I don't know, you cannot build a block like this. You have to wait months, years sometimes, and you have to wait and put how you say, brick by brick to build it. I don't know how to explain it for you to be easier. Look what I was saying about GG on the 30 minute. Me, I'm explaining what do I see. Maybe you are in the trade, maybe you want to go into a trade, and if I'm explaining something, and if I say that From here, I think that the price will go to this direction. And if you feel comfortable with what I have said, you can go into a trade, okay? Also with, what did I said about GU, I think? I don't remember. I think GU. Yes, I said about GU, this is on the 30 minute. Let me go on the 1 hour. And I said that if GU is going to break this area of 139, let's say 700, 600 and something, close, and it gives you the confirmation, okay, then you can have a buy. If not, then the price will play a little bit here, and maybe tomorrow it's going to do something. Ma'am, what is your experience in Forex? My experience, I don't know. I thought that it's hard at the beginning. I thought that I am smart at the beginning. I lost some accounts until I have took some courses, and I started to really learn. And believe me, I told you, and I repeat myself, I'm learning every day, and I'm looking for new things every day, and for, let's say, not like strategies, but I'm trying new things, okay? Because also, if you are going on the website, you will see that I'm not doing, let's say, only live sessions on the YouTube. I give also signals. I have also some robots. I will implement a new system right now, and I am now it's on let's say working on like trading, copy some trades. Again, this is a new system. I give courses to the students. I mean, I do a lot of things. I cannot stop at only one thing, okay? It's like I cannot do only live session. I have to do many other things. That's why I say I study all the time, and I like to learn new things, and I like to show to the people what do I have learned, and I want to show you my strategy that really works, okay? Also, you saw also from my signals, and also when I'm explaining you right here live about some pairs right now, I can say about GJ that it's going up, and believe me, it's going to retest again this area. I'm not in a trade. I will not go into the trade because I have explained you. I have made already my pips, so I will be very calm. I will stay just right here with you, and to explain you how beautiful it's this Forex market, and how much money you can make. And believe me, you can make money if you want to be a smart guy and to make money, not to lose money, okay? So I'm saying to myself every day when I am in front of the computer, Madi, you are here to make money, not to lose money, okay? So you have to do the same thing. Be smart, think positive, learn new things, take the new things, take new opportunities, and so on. So I think that I don't say that it's very easy to be a Forex trader, but if you, let's say, if you understand the magic thing, if you understand the secret, then you can become profitable, okay? So it seems like the pairs are doing what I have said. Again, keep an eye on GU if you want to trade it. It seems like the price is still trying to push up, also on the 1 hour. Let's see, there is another 6 minutes, 5 minutes for this 30-minute candle to close. Maybe it's going to close right now, or maybe the next hour it's going to close above this area, and maybe can give you the confirmation for the price to continue to go up, okay? Today I will not stay too much on the live session because I want to go and to check, because I saw on the internet some new monitors, I don't know how to say them, and I saw one that is curved like this, and I really want to buy it. I want to invest in my office, And if I will today I will go to the shop, and if I will buy it, I will send you a video, or I will post pictures on Instagram. So I'm so excited because today I want to see it in real life, okay, the new monitor. So you see, because I'm making money on the Forex market, I can go and invest in things on my office. I can go to buy things on my own. I don't know, I have money for food, I have money for, I don't know, to take care of myself, okay, every day. So if you want to be like this consistent, and if you want to be smart, try to avoid all the mistakes that you have done before. Try to make a trading plan. Try to try to be consistent. Try to reduce your losses. Try to have a risk management. If you don't know how to do all these things, I suggest you, before losing more money on the market, you can invest them in your education, take some lessons, courses, okay? And then you will understand new strategies and new things. And like this, you can be consistent and profitable. Also, if you are asking the people from my group, they will tell you that they started to become profitable in a very short time after they took the courses with me, and I am not joking. Is it better to aim for more pips with small positions, or a few pips with bigger lots? Don't use bigger lots. Don't use big lot size, because again you will end up losing money, and you will tremble when you will see that you are, I don't know, risking $300 or maybe $1,000 in one trade. Why you should do that? I mean, it's you should be you must have like a target. If you want to take it, let's say, like from the beginning, you will say that, okay, I want today, every day, to make 10 pips a day, which is not hard. I don't want to take more than 1 or 2 trades a day, okay? I don't have to trade more than 1 pair. I have to be consistent, but if I want to be consistent, I have to focus only on the number of pips, okay, not on the money, because if you are focused on the money, then it will be harder for you to be concentrated, because you will say, oh, I have to make that, I don't know, $50, $10, $5. No, the number of pips. Like this, you will not have any pressure on your back, okay? Don't let's say don't go and ask money from your friends and then lose it on the Forex market, because like this again you will have a pressure that I have to give back that money to my friend, and he's calling me every day, okay, because he wants his money back, and so on. So try to trade with your own money, and like this you will not have any pressure. Try to have a job, a steady job, okay? Try to have some money aside, because like this you will feel secure, because all the traders wants to feel secure, okay, before going into a trade. I'm telling you this from my own experience. So if you want to be consistent, you must have some strict rules, like in the army. I wake up at this hour, I trade this pair, I trade at this amount of pips. I don't take more than 2 trades per day. If I'm losing a trade, then I will not take another one. Don't be greedy and stupid saying that, if the market took my money, I will put now another trade, and believe me, the market will take you more money. So when you see that, if you have a buy, like saying that right now GU is going up, okay, and you have a buy on GU and it's not doing what you said, don't take a sell then, because only because you see that the candle is going in the opposite way and you are in a drawdown. Don't do these stupid things. Use also all the time stop loss. If you don't use stop loss, then you should have change. You have to change your idea about Forex. So that's why all these things exist in all the books. That's why all the traders, they are speaking at the same thing. How do you think that all the traders that you watch them on the YouTube, on the Instagram, or on TradingViewer, I don't know, they are consistent and profitable? How? Because they respect these things, because they trade, they have an amount of pips to trade. They trade at a specific time. They don't trade like this, you know, every day, all day. You have to take all the candles. No, be smart. Take only one candle. I mean, if you are going right now at GJ, why I should take all these candles right here? Why I should not take only one candle? Okay, let's go on the 1 hour. It's easier. Okay. In my mind, when, for example, in GJ, that's why I told you the price, it will continue to go up. Why did I say this? Because the price break through this area, the price came back down, rejected, and created a support right here, and then the price continued to go up. So it was a very good trade to enter, where I could enter right here at the second candle, waiting for the second candle to come back down, make the wick, and then you can enter right here where you have your last week. Okay, and you can enter here where you can have your first take profit right here at the first week, and so on. So try to be smart and try to look different at the market. Don't copy, because there are a lot of scammers, I don't know, that they are trying to teach you like trade on the 5 minutes and the 1 minute system. If you are going on the YouTube, I saw you can trade and make millions by 1 minute chart. I mean, how you can do this? I mean, it's a really big joke to make millions and a lot of money by trading on the 1 minute chart. No, trade the big time frame, trade the big picture, see only the big picture, because if you think small, then you will become small. If you think big, then you will become big. Okay, how many losses in a row did you had in trading? Did you had 3-5 unprofitable days? I had more. It happened. I had a period of time that 3 weeks I was blocked and I couldn't see anything. But again, this is because also I had like a pressure on my back. Okay, it's not, let's say, I mean, I was so blocked that 3 weeks I couldn't be able to have a trade. Okay, I was blocked, and I said to myself, okay, I'm not going to trade. I'm going to wait for that period to pass, and then I will trade again. Usually when I trade and I'm losing a trade, I don't take the second chance. Okay, I don't really take it. I don't advise you to do like this, because you will end up losing money. Okay, you have to think smart, you have to think positively. Okay, what do you say here? It is better to aim for more pips with small position. Yes, I have read this with a bigger lot size. So if you want to how you say, to increase your account, first of all, depends a lot with what amount of money you're trading. Okay, what is your balance? All the time I say to my students and my traders, try to trade and risk only 2% from your balance at one trade. Okay, try to be smart and build piece by piece your account. After 1 month or 2 months maybe of profitability, and also when you feel prepared psychologically to increase your lot size, then you can do it. Otherwise, then don't. There are a lot of things that you should learn them, like risk management, how to place orders when you have multiple orders, when like entries, okay, when to cut the losses, when how do I say, when to increase again your lot size, so and so on. So there are some little tricks that you should learn them, okay. 1% is better for a beginner. 1-2%. I don't say 1%, I say 2%. Some of them, they say, oh, but at 2% it's too less, I don't have time to wait, I want to make money. But he doesn't want to learn, okay. So that's why I say you have to start with something which makes you feel very comfortable. In your case, David, if you feel comfortable at the beginning to trade with only 1%, then it's fine. Later on you can increase with 2%, you can increase your lot size and so on. The thing is that also I have noticed some people, they are using demo account, which is perfectly fine, and I suggest you to do that. But don't put $50,000 in your demo account, because you don't have that money, and you will never have them, because you have to feel you have to be true to yourself, okay. Don't lie to yourself and saying that I have 50,000 on your demo account. Really, you are a liar. You don't have that amount of money. Put the real money on the demo account and try to trade that amount of money, okay. That 1,000, 2,000, 5,000, $10,000, I don't know, not 50 or 100,000, and you play with a lot of 10 and 5 and 15, and you trade only 3 or 4 pips and you make money and you think that you're consistent. You cannot do like this money, and you will not become like this consistent. The heavy thing is when you have a small account and when you can build it from zero. It was a guy, a Japanese guy, I saw it, I don't know, I think 1 year ago. He made from $11,000, he made like 1.3 million in, I don't know, in 5 years or something like this. But he worked so much. Imagine how many hours in front of the computer he had. But you can be consistent if you are a very good trader, and you can make you can make a lot of money if you understand how things are working. And I say it like, I don't know, like a secret. If you understand the secret, then you can become profitable. There are some little things and tricks that you have to understand them, and that you have to repeat them all the time, do the same thing, and it will be, you have to become like let's say like a robot, okay, like a machine. No feelings. If you have feelings, if you overthink, if you do, I don't know, then it will be difficult for you to be consistent if you are not doing this, okay. You have to repeat it all the time. I put 10,000 in demo as at that in the account size available for founding like FTMO. My aim is to get founded, it's like 10,000 or 25,000. The thing is that on your demo account, put the real money that, okay, you want to trade, or you have them to trade. Don't put 1,300,000 or 100,000, okay. If you have that 10,000 or 25,000 in real, okay, then you can put it also on the demo. Be real to yourself and try to build on the demo account like being the real account, okay. So thinking that, okay, I have only 10,000 for trading, 10,000 I will have also on my demo, and I want to use a strategy to see if I'm profitable. If I'm not profitable, then I am out and I'm doing something else, okay. Because again, I have to remind you that Trading, it's not for all the people, so but the best thing is to try. Okay, I didn't know that trading it's for me. I didn't know that I could be able to stay hours and hours and hours in front of the computer. I couldn't believe that I am so calm and relaxed in front of the computer, and I couldn't believe that I will be able to speak in front of the people and to how you say, to speak in a video or something like this. I couldn't believe, but first you have to try them, all these things, and after you will see if you feel comfortable. This is the main thing, to feel comfortable. It's like, imagine a relationship. Okay, if you don't feel comfortable in a relationship, why you are staying there? Why? I mean, you don't have any reason. Okay, and it's the same thing with the forex market. If you don't feel comfortable being in a trade, it means that you've done something wrong, like using a bigger lot size, or maybe you didn't enter in the right time and you are in a drawdown and so on. So compare all the time these kind of things. Okay, so I told you today I will not stay too much with you. Be careful with the news, because we have the news on the in about 1 hour we have the monetary policy, and then we have the press conference. And be careful with the pairs on the euro, okay, like EURJPY, EURCAD, EURGBP, because also some guys are trading EURGBP because they have asked me. If you are looking right now on the 1 hour, so all the pairs with euro, it seems like right now they are ranging because you are trying to do something after the news. Okay, the thing is that you can use also buy stop and sell stop if you feel comfortable, and if you are using this kind of things. You can have a buy stop around this area of 85,800 or a sell stop around this area, but first go and have a look if there is any possibility for the price to continue to go up or down. Okay, you need all the time confirmation. Maybe you will not trade during the news, and maybe you will see that some nice and big moves, they will happen after how you say, after the news. Okay, after 1 hour or 2 hours, or maybe when the London session it will close, then you will see that the pairs will start to move a lot more. This one, it seems like it break through this area and close at 800, sorry, and it seems like now it's like coming back down, retested again this area, and then I'm expecting for the price to continue to push even higher. Okay, let me see also gold. Gold, it seems like, oh my god, the poor guy, I forgot his name. I think he's he lost his account with a sell. He had a sell here. So it seems like also on the 4 hour, yes, the price is rejecting from this area. For those that they are trading gold, here it was a very good entry. Okay, so all the time wait for the best opportunities when you are going into the market. Okay, and if you want to trade it, so wait for the price to see how it's going to what is going to do around this area. Okay, in about 2 hours the 4 hour candle will close, and also here we have the 1 hour, and it seems like gold, it's trying to break this area from here, and if it's breaking and closing lower, then you have this room until 1726 to have a sell. If not, maybe the price will come back up and go up again, but I do believe that the price should continue to go down. Okay, so guys, please don't overtrade. Don't use more than 2% of your account. Don't be greedy. Tomorrow I will be again on the live session with you here, and I will explain you more things. If I will find any opportunity, then yes, definitely I will go into a trade, but I will do it only for you, because I have did already my 100 pips per week. Look at EURJPY in the 30 minute, it seems like it's trying to push up. Let me see. EURJPY. EURJPY, yes, I saw it. It's still in the range zone. So take care of yourself. Don't overtrade. I will be also, how you say, on, I will answer to the questions on my group. Okay. And I will come back with the news if I found my new monitor, okay, because I will go now at the shop, and I'm so excited because I want to buy the new system and curved how you say monitor, okay. So thank you so much for watching, and see you tomorrow at the same hour, okay. Take care.